Hey my peeps, let's make a s'mores marshmallow. So I'm using a foam marshmallow. You can get these from Amazon or from Michael's. I'm putting a mini skewer in the middle of my marshmallow for stability so that my paper straw won't bend. So I got this paper straw a long time ago. So I don't know where you might be able to find that color, but I'm sure you could probably find it on Amazon. So now I'm going to get my drip, which is made with cork, Mod Podge, and paint. And I'm just going around, putting some on top and letting some of the drip hang over the edge. And I'm just going to do that all the way around. And then I'm going to come back and fill in the empty little areas that you see there. Tap it so the drip starts coming down. And now I'm going to just fill in because I want the whole top to look like it's covered with the drip. So I'm just going back around and filling in all the little white spots, and then I'm tapping it again so those drips start falling down. And then you can help it along by adding a little bit more of the drip so that it comes down the marshmallow. So I got this coarse sand from Dollar Tree. It's a beige color and it reminds me of cookie crumbles. So I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top of my drip. And then I have a honey graham teddy bear. Well, I'm getting rid of the sand because it's making my marshmallow wobbly. So I have a honey graham teddy bear that I made with a mold. I made the mold myself, but they do sell the molds on Etsy. And then I got a little piece of a Hershey chocolate bar, and I'm sticking that in there too, and a tiny little marshmallow. So it could be the combination, the s'mores combo, right? And you can hot glue the honey graham to the stick, which I did after because I kind of forgot to add the hot glue. Because I know once that drip dries, it's going to be there forever. It's not going to go anywhere, but add some glue. So I got a tiny little ribbon. I got this ribbon from Temu. It came in a big pack of different color ribbons. And I'm just sticking on there just to add a little something extra. And here you go. I think these came out pretty cute. You don't have to add that teddy graham. You could just add a little piece of fake graham cracker cookie and that'll be just fine. Okay, so I hope you like these and I hope you make them. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.